Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today I will create this eye makeup. This look goes with almost every outfit. So let's get started. First I am using concealer to prepare the base. I am using Elegant Pro Concealer. My shade is Pure Beige. If you don't have any concealer, then you can apply any foundation that gives you full coverage. If you have a huge problem of dark circles, then first you have to cancel out all the darkness with the help of color corrector and then use concealer. Use damp sponge for blending. I am applying Wet n Wild setting powder to set the concealer as well. Then I am using Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal. You can apply any kajal pencil that you have. First drag your skin upward, then apply your kajal. I am taking dark brown shade from Makeup Revolution palette. I am using only these two brushes. Always first apply a little bit, then gradually grow with color. And for that, tapping technique is the key. Tap your brush before apply it on your eyelid. Smudging the kajal. Always clean first color from the brush and then goes with the second. Taking light brown color from the same palette and going dark to light direction. Using same color with a blending brush. Blend, blend, blend. Always remember, blending is the key. You have to blend everything well. Now taking the black eyeshadow to make kohl more dark. Blending it with other colors as well. Using Lotus eyeliner. Here you have to be very careful. I am drawing a little wing at the end to create a good structure. Here we have finished upper eyelid. Now take the same kajal pencil, leave a gap between these 2 points. Taking same black eyeshadow to make it more dark. Fading the end with same dark brown eyeshadow. Now drawing a little lower wing with eyeliner to make it more attractive. Taking highlighter from same palette and highlighting brow bone and inner corner of eye. Using a good coat of mascara and the look is almost done. If you want, you can stop here, but I want more drama, so I am using false lashes. And yes, it's done. This look goes with any dresses. It is looking beautiful, and at the same time, the process is super easy. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel.